Hi guys, today I'm making cinnamon roll donuts using the Foodstirs cake mix. So in that bowl, I just combine yeast and warm water, and in this one, I'm combining the cake mix, flour, and then the yeast combination. It formed into this dough, and I set that aside for 10 minutes, and it rose so much. I then rolled that out all nice and thin, using a little bit of flour, and spread a nice even coat of butter on top, along with some brown sugar and cinnamon. I then spread that all nice and even, so it looks like this, and rolled that into a big giant burrito. I then cut that up into a little slice and made a little burrito. So that it fits perfectly into this pan, I baked it at 370 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Look how amazing. And then I also made mini donut holes and regular cinnamon rolls. They were all amazing. Enjoy!